it has been 3 times. We have
Yeah,
disconnected call and video is not completing.
yes, of you want to struggle for that, if you want to connect.
So, you are living, I think. Where are you living actually?
In
In
Maharashtra.
this.
Yeah.
Okay, so is it your hometown or you are out of your family?
No, my born Morton is another city, but I'm here because my husband doing job here, so that's why.
Okay, okay, okay. I got it. I got it. So how many years have you been in this city?
Now it's 4 years, and before that, I was in Jamnagar, Gujarat.
Okay,
In that time, in can say in Reliance company, my husband doing job that time.
okay, okay. So for which department he is working?
Now he switched in software, and before that they doing in plant in LPG gas and coal, and you do like in this plant that because they did a mechanical engineer.
Oh, great, great. You are HR and he is engineer. So both
Yes,
people are planning. Both people are planning great
yes,
in future.
yeah.
So, how is going on everything about your YouTube journey and about your professional life? I think you have left your job, and
Yeah.
after some times you will join your job again.
Yeah, yes, of course, in future. That's why I'm not, wasting my time. I'm utilizing to update it myself. I read something new. I learn new software sometimes. I read because if somebody asks me about something, so that I am not say that I don't. Are you audible?
Actually, I think network problem is going on. So please check your network once because video is not continuously continuous working.
Okay, maybe it's evening's very problem sometimes.
and uh, and I think your today's target is not going to be finished.
Yes, that's right. Okay, no issue. We connect again if have a problem.
Students, I focus on communication skills because this is a very important thing to improve their communication. Second one is I focus on their body language because body language it also very great requirement mostly in corporate sector. Multiple things are here like resume writing, CV writing. How will you write the CV and resume? These are the very important things. How will you connect another person? Email writing because email is also very important thing. Like
Yeah.
application writing, these are the things. Another multiple skills comes under the soft skills like your time management, attitude management, anger management, your dressing styles, grooming, your confidence level, your motivational training. All these things come from this. But I need to find out the audience. What type of students are here? I can't give them advanced training because they are basic level students. So I need to give basic training. How can you speak and how can you sit and how can you stand perfectly?
Okay.
Oh,
Or they are already hired by company. You given to the from company, or you have own institute or any other.
I'm working with an organization which name is Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendra Skill India program,
Okay.
which is running in all over the India. I think you
Okay.
know about soft skills. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. This is the name of this, and but private companies are handling this project. And my company name is Uran EduTech, which is working with different organizations.
Yeah, yeah. That's
So
very
I'm
good.
working with that company.
Yeah. Everyone before join any company, so they need to improve ourselves before, because in interview all they only said how you saying, how you your words, like your body language. Already you said like, yeah, I know very well, because yeah, in my home already engineer is there. That's why I know very well.
Oh my God. So is your husband is engineer?
Yes, of course. And I did my MBA in HR.
Okay, so you are MBA and an engineer. Wow,
Yes, of
all
course.
India.
Yeah, because yeah,
What?
in my leisure time we are discuss just our all share something about your, because all year we are frustrating look doing a work. So in free time we discuss about that work is when we will share something, then we feel very good that time.
Yes, in corporate sector, mostly in private field, soft skills plays a 80% role for
Yes,
employee, because
yes,
you need to handle your team, you need to handle your boss, you need to handle your
yes.
supervisor, your seniors, your juniors, you need to make relationship with them, you need to manage time, you need to manage money. All soft skills are moving around this.
Yeah, right. Of course. Yeah.
So
So,
this is the training I provide to my students mostly. And
so
I'm
what do you do motivate yourself?
actually my little success is my motivation.
Okay.
If I receive a task today and I finished that, this is the my motivation. Apart from this, if I am not okay and I'm feeling something wrong, so my family is with me, I can call them and I can talk with them, and apart this there are multiple ways to reduce our demotivation.
Yes, yes. Because in our life, everyone's want motivation. Because yeah, sometimes we feel like alone and very frustrated that time. Yeah, someone who love you, lad, you understand you, lad, they also motivate you every time. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Like your
Who's
family
your
member, mother, father, sister, anybody is.
and who is your motivating factor?
My son, you can say, he teach me a lot. When I started, I already has told you I learning this language my kid for my kids also, because yeah, sometimes they also talk in English, and they also now they say, Mama, why you not join any institute, any school for job?